Basically, this is a digital marketing workshop, and I'm really feeling very good that Make in Turn has taken this initiative. Basically, I am myself an entrepreneur and I run an IT company. Okay, and I am a digital marketer as well. So this is in association with Make in Turn that we are just doing this digital marketing workshop. Now, before starting up of any workshop, one very important thing to you guys, that digital marketing is not any kind of a classroom teaching stuff, right? So I want you guys to be very relaxed about it because it's a fun loving thing, right? I don't know, you have been going for different workshops. Have you done previously any workshops? Have you attended any workshops before this? You guys are from which year? Which semesters? First and third. And which all programs? MBAs. Oh, only MBAs. That's it. I thought some are from FMS as well.
They are also doing MBA.
Achha, you are doing also MBA. Perfect. So you have gone through any workshops before this also?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So there was one workshop about social media marketing.
Okay, social media marketing. All right.
It was also focusing on distance.
Sustaining success and
Achha, super. See, I'll tell you, my way of going with any workshop is very different from generally the people actually go with. Because I want you guys to actually interact with me and just to go with we should go with a very healthy and a very fun-loving kind of a workshop. It should not be that you are sitting there listening to me and I'm not here to actually make you guys listen to me. I want to interact with you guys, right? So, a very basic and starting from a very basic thing so that we can share some knowledge that what do you guys actually feel. You have done MBA, so planning to just go for a complete MBA, then what do you personally feel that what is actually a marketing? Abhi kis ne, all those who have taken MBA by choice or they have just like ki market mein BTech kaun hai yahan par? Who all are BTechs? Engineers. That's it. I am feeling very good about it because in maximum workshops where I go, I find maximum BTechs are there because they have a very regular fashion because they do a BTech, then they don't get a job, so they say, yaar chalo marketing kar lete. Be here as well, but I am feeling very good about it. Then what you have done? You have done graduation from Delhi University. Okay, from different university. Perfect. So, what's your actually, all those who have taken MBA by choice, please be very honest. We are friends. I'm not a trainer. I'm actually not a trainer. I'm telling you. मैं कोई पढ़ाता नहीं हूँ. It's just that digital marketing is a fun-loving thing. That is why I'm here to deliver this, right? So all those who have taken MBA by choice, please. जिसने actual में by choice ली है? By choice. And what about others? Forced. घर वालों ने बोला था, मम्मी पापा ने बोला था यार कर लो, MBA कर ले, वैल्यू बन जाएगी थोड़ी सी. See, chalo, all those are very normal thing to all of you. What do you feel that what is actually a marketing? Digital तो बात की बात है ना, पहले digital word को तो दूर करते हैं, पहले marketing की बात करते हैं. You are already in third semester and basic चीज तो obviously we must have learned या उसको समझा होगा, right? So what do you feel? What is marketing? Sales. Okay, number one. I'm sorry?
Satisfy the customer.
Satisfy the customer. Next.
So the way we show our things to other,
Okay.
show our product.
Influence the people to buy the product.
Okay, perfect.
To
Right.
understand how needs and wants of the customer.
I'm sorry?
To understand the needs and wants of customer.
To understand the needs and
That's
wants
market
of the
orientation.
customer.
Spread awareness.
Spread awareness. Awareness of
Products.
Promotion.
Market information.
Profit to sell.
Alright, super. See, we have number of, as in, you have given a very good input, and if I need to go in a very generic manner, so I could say that possibly what you just said is the awareness of a product is marketing. What all things we have got, that is something that is actually surrounding marketing. It could be a characteristic of a marketing, but if I ideally talk of a marketing in a very generic manner, right? It has to be something which is awareness of a product, right? So idea is basically that why we are actually creating awareness. What is the need of awareness?
Increasing sales.
No, I'm not